my name is Christina Sanders. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a few reviews on some items, so let's go ahead and jump in and see what items we have today. First thing that I have are these little dance shoes. They have little beautiful rhinestones all across the front, and then they do have laces underneath this part right here, and that's what makes them dance shoes, is that you tie the laces and then you put this over there so that way they're not tripping over the shoes. These are by Pastry, and I got these on Amazon, and I got these for a discount. They're so cute, and then they have the little pastry with the bling right there too. How cute are these? My daughter absolutely loves these, and she doesn't do dance, but she wears these on days that she loves to go dancing around because she likes to dance and boogie all the time. So these are super, super cute. If you're looking for some dance shoes or you're looking for some cute shoes, I definitely recommend checking these out. These will be linked down below for you guys. The next item that I have is super cool. These are light up spiders. So I'm going to turn these off. You can see that they glow. They're purple, and then there's also an option for them to flash. Okay? And then they look like this. They're little bitty clear spiders. I'm going to use these for my vendor events that we do. Hopefully I can find some events for October. And I'm going to set up my table. I'm going to set these up all across the table to flash or to light up, and it'll be really, really cute. So if you're looking for some really cool decorations, I got these for a discount too. So, but if you're looking for some decorations, you can find these on Amazon. I'll have that link down below for you guys too. Next is another item that I got for a discount to review, but I haven't tried them yet. So I wanted to show it to you guys. This is like a cobweb stuff with fake spiders. So I think I'm going to use most of this on my porch because this is our first time we owned a house. So we're actually going to do like decorations and stuff this year. So that'll be super exciting. So I will have a picture of that soon. But I will lay it out a little bit and take a picture of it. Maybe I can put it in this video for you guys so you guys can see it. But that's another option for some really cool decorations. I will have a picture. I'll try to have a picture of that, and then I will have that link down below for you guys so you can check that out too. This next item I just wanted to show you guys. I got this for a discount to review it, but I haven't tried it yet. This is actually a Jade facial roller kit, and it comes with a vitamin C with hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to try this out and let you guys know. But I just wanted to show you guys that I got this in, and I'll show you guys it here in just a second. This was sealed up in a really airtight package, which was really nice. It's really cool. I like the way it feels. It's cold. I love it. I can't wait to use this. I'm excited. And it also came with a little bag to store it in, which is super cool. So I can't wait to try this out and let you guys know. And then, of course, I saw it came with the hyaluronic acid with the vitamin C serum. So I'll show you guys all that in a review that I'll do on my Instagram and stuff. But I wanted to show you guys that that's something that's coming up. Another thing I haven't tried yet that I just got was, I got this for a discount. I did pay a little bit, quite a bit for it, more than I would normally pay, but I got this at a discount. Not to review it though, I just got it for a discount. Yeah, but this is an eyeshadow palette, and this was on Amazon, so I will definitely have this link down below for you guys too. If you guys are excited to see some looks, definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to have some looks probably on Instagram sometime very soon with this palette because I absolutely love the packaging and the colors look really neat, so I can't wait to try that. The next thing I want to show you guys is this amazing sports bra. It's got this super cute overlay on the front, and it's got this really cute design on the back. It crisscrosses like that, and it's padded on the inside, which I absolutely love, and I just really, really like this thing a lot. I did get this for a discount, but I didn't have to show it in the video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I love the design on it, and it's really, really comfy, and it's really, really cute. I love it. I cannot wait to wear it for working out. Yay, because I'm going to start working out more. I'm really excited. Next, I want to show you guys the Lula Premium Brush Set that I got. I'm going to open this up and show you guys this, but this is a Boar Bristle Brush Set, and it's really, really nice. I did use it today. I opened it up, and my husband automatically used it on his hair and my hair, and he was like, look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. So this is what the brush looks like. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's really, quality. You can feel it. Then you have your boar bristles in here, and then you have, it looks kind of like regular brush bristles on there too. So it's really nice. I like it a lot. I'm obsessed with this so far. We just got it, and I'm just in love with it. Then it also came with a little comb. It's got the same quality. Super, super cute. It's got a little butterfly on there. And then it also came with a head wrap. So when I'm doing face masks or anything, I can put my hair up. And then it also came with a storage bag for it. So this is a really cute like Christmas idea if you're looking to get something a little nicer than just like a regular brush or anything. So I would definitely check out that set if that's something that you are looking for. Super cute and super awesome. So far this is my first premium brush I've ever had, and I'm like super impressed with this. So I really, really do like this. I can't wait to keep trying it and give you guys another written review. So stay tuned within the next week or so to see a review on my Instagram on this premium brush set. And I want to share with you guys, it's a stunning dress. It's on Amazon. It's navy blue on the top, and then the bottom has this gorgeous design, and it's a long dress, and it has like 3/4 sleeves, and then it has a little part that wraps around my waist. I will definitely try to insert a picture in here because I did take a picture while I was wearing this, but this dress is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I'm thinking about looking on there to see what other colors were on there. Maybe I'll pick up another one, but these are super gorgeous and they're not like expensive, but they're not super cheap. So I think they're a good price for what they are. So I would definitely check those out if you're looking for a gorgeous dress. Beautiful dress. So next is something that I've shown you guys before, but this one is one that I got picked up for me. So it came with a storage bag. I'm going to show you guys that first. And then it came with a waterproof phone case thing. So I'm going to use this when we go so I can record in the water. So that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. So I can't wait to try some of those new items out that I showed you and to do the reviews on some of those. So definitely stay tuned on my Instagram, which is Fierce Glam Mom, for future reviews on different items and to show you guys some of the stuff that I've already tried and that I absolutely love. So yeah, hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these items, or if any of these items looked interesting to you, or let me know what you thought was the coolest thing that I got. Like I always share with you guys, the most of the stuff that I show you guys, I got for a discount. I don't think I really get anything for free anymore because you are not allowed to, but I get everything for a discount in exchange for a review, or I get stuff just at a discount from different things that I'm a part of. So, yay! I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.